Hello Valparaiso, I'm Storm Shield meteorologist Alex Krull here with your Tuesday weather update. For today we're going to be experiencing some hot and humid weather conditions, could possibly see a thunderstorm, however that likely will not be occurring until later this evening. For tomorrow we are looking at the possibility for some even more thunderstorms, but you do need to be careful as some of these storms could be severe. The Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma has actually been monitoring the potential for severe weather for the last 4 to 5 days now for northwest Indiana, as a mid-latitude cyclone is developing and will be moving across the region with a very strong cold front, and that cold front is the reason why we will be seeing a cool down as we head towards the end of this week. So here's a look at the RPM Futurecast temperatures, starting it off this morning at 71 degrees here in Valparaiso. As we continue into the afternoon, indicating a high temperature of about 75 degrees. I'm thinking we'll be just a little bit warmer than that, about closer to 78 degrees as we head into the 3 and 4 o'clock hours today. But to our southwest is where we are experiencing some really warm temperatures here in the United States right now. Kansas City forecasted to be 91 degrees and Tulsa, Oklahoma close to 97. We will be having some of this air move into our region. However, though, as we go into Wednesday, when that cold front moves through, will be the reason why Valparaiso will not reach into the lower 90s for our Wednesday afternoon. As we go into the evening hours tonight, we'll have a low temperature right around 68 degrees here in Valpo, but the main story on Wednesday is going to be watching this approaching cold front. As we head into our Wednesday afternoon, high temperature of 79 degrees here in Valparaiso, but looking just to our west, we can see a very prominent cold front here on the RPM model, with some of our temperatures behind it in the upper 60s and even in the 50s as you head back out towards South Dakota. This cold front is what will likely be bringing us our severe weather as we head into Wednesday morning and even into the early evening hours on Wednesday as well. So here's a look at the RPM Futurecast radar. Most of the showers for our Tuesday, this morning rather, are going to be off to our south, and those will continue to push off to the southeast. Will leave us with some cloud cover as this next system continues to push through the area. As we go into the overnight hours and especially early morning on Wednesday is likely when we will be seeing some of the heaviest rain showers and could possibly even see some severe thunderstorms. So be very careful if you are out and about on Wednesday morning. Those first rounds will continue to move off to our east, and then we'll have a second batch of rain. Likely won't be as strong, but still will be very wet as we head into the early evening hours on our Wednesday. And then those storms will continue to push off to our east, leaving us with some cloud cover as we go into our Thursday. So for today, high temperature of 77 degrees, the chance of a thunderstorm that likely won't be occurring until later, maybe during the early evening hours. Our winds will be coming out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tonight, the cloud cover will continue to build. An overnight low of 65 degrees. Could possibly see a shower as this low pressure system continues to move into the area. Winds still coming out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tomorrow, high temperature of 78 degrees. However, though, we are looking at the possibility for thunderstorms, and some of these thunderstorms, again, could be severe. So please be extremely careful if you are out and about, as some of these thunderstorms could become very windy and gusty and even dangerous at some points. So with that, we now have your 5-day forecast. Going into our Thursday, we'll have some cloud cover left over as this low pressure system finally exits the region with a high temperature of 65 degrees and our overnight low of 51. For Friday, we will reintroduce the chance for some rain showers, high temperature of 61 degrees and overnight low of 47. But then going into our weekend, we should be experiencing some rather mild weather conditions with our high temperatures in the mid-60s. That is all for your Storm Shield weather update. I'm meteorologist Alex Krull. Have a great day.